What time is it?
4:05. Well, there's some other guys that had plans on coming here, so we had to get up a little earlier to beat them here. Everybody else is meeting up at the meetup spot at 5. So we just wanted to get here first. Probably gonna get the blind set up, and then wait for everybody else and get all the gear out. They should be here soon.
Just Jock that was late, not us.
Look at them donuts, dude. 4 boxes.
This is what you get when you show up late. I don't think he was late. I think one of the other guys was late.
Just
But
No
I brought donuts because I'm hungry.
where's the coffee at? We'll have to ask him.
Bringing up the blind.
I wrecked the whole bike.
Hunter's got to adjust everything.
Typical goose hunter.
Typical goose hunter.
This is Vic's favorite part of the video. She loves it. She's like, when you're doing your commentary, she's like, this is my favorite part.
You got your 5 minutes of fame. I'm getting stickers made of your face.
You should.
After that thing hit you. So this afternoon we are gonna have more people. If everything goes as planned. It's a big feed we found. Hunter checked it yesterday. There's supposed to be 200 plus birds on it. We should have enough people to really knock some down. I'm expecting a lot out of this spot. What do you think? Easily 100 bird day. Easy. Yeah. If these guys can shoot. Can't they all do that? Good shot, Hunter.
All white.
Yellow. One down, 2 down.
Good shot.
Oh, hey, someone got that yellow.
Yellow.
He's coming back. Good shot.
Damn, that thing hit the ground like a yard dart. You see the band fall?
I thought he said that thing hit the ground like a yard bird.
Kill it. Got him. Try it. Dude, you ever see those pinwheels fall off the tree? I was thinking helicopter. Kill it.
That one's stiff. Yo, someone shot the head off of this one. Or no head. Yeah, probably not, but nice pile of birds.
I think this evening,
So
hopefully
look
it
at all
works
the
out.
empty shells.
What happened here, honestly? Come on.
They just didn't do it.
They weren't here. They were in every other field in the county but here, right?
Yep. One field over, they were all landing in, so
It's hard at the top, man. Hard on yourself. You just wait till tonight.
Should be able to get a pile. What do you think we honestly got? Like 10?
Oh, I don't even know.
Well, we would have more birds down, but you know, Leroy over here
Can't shoot.
can't shoot.
see what the problem was is Matthew has no integrity, he hasn't matured, got no class.
What the problem
So,
is, you put too many guys with no class on one end, it doesn't even out. You put the 2 good guys. Man, shine the camera over there, get Leroy. You got A1 and A1 down on this end. B class is always down at the bottom. I mean, it's just you got to even it out.
gotta spread out.
Spread out, yeah.
Shooters. That's the problem.
We'll figure it out. We're still trying to figure it out.
You got to put one good shooter on each end, because you
Well,
know
that's why I'm on the end.
all
and
the
he's on
birds-
the end, That's why you're in the middle.
all the birds down here die, and none of them down there die.
I don't know. I seen more air shot by you two than you know what I mean. Than pellets in the feathers.
2, 6, 12, 13. 13 birds. I mean, how many should we have killed in that big flock, though? You know what I mean? Back out on an afternoon hunt with the boys. There's a planted millet in here.
Yellow.
Not that far. Yeah, James.
See, we had to
James.
clean
That's
that up on
class
this
down
end.
here.
Yeah, they let that go, Paulie. That's what I call clean.
Can I get it? I was talking about the one up high. Yo. Yo.
Kill. Good shooting on the right.
Yo.
James, that's you.
Get him, James. Yeah, James.
Tractor, Matt. Towards the tractor. Towards the tractor. I just don't want to get hit by the rotary like Leroy.
Go get that third.
Carry the far ones back.
Very good. Oh, let me see that. Wow, that's funny.
Guys out of the way?
Yeah.
Yeah, James.
Last bottle coke after all that running, dude. Stone.
See ya. Oh boy.
Oh, sharp that.
Here they come, locked up.
There's more behind us.
Go.
Right here, dumping on your left.
Watch the tractor.
Kill. Kill. Good shot, Paulie. Nice shot, Paulie.
Oh, my.
Good shot.
Yo, that left side's good. Looking classy down there, guys.
That was a good shot.
Just left.
Oh, I had a click. I had a click.
That was a little far.
Dang, man.
Try it.
Nice shot, James.
You see that one, Hunter? That's textbook right there.
Kill.
Good shooting.
That's what I call class. I didn't even take a shot. I call that saving money, brother.
Kill.
Oh, that last shot. Is it coming back?
Kill.
What, glass bottle Coke?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring 12 of them every hunt. I'm gonna drink them all.
Right here.
Kill the white one. Kill.
Look at that white wing.
Kill. Kill.
I got this white one.
Kill him. Kill him.
Oh!
Nice shooting, boy.
Yeah, that.
Kill it.
Good shot.
God, come on.
Kill it.
Dude, I was
How many you think?
Brian?
104.
104 you think?
120.
120.
Wait, is this included in the morning?
No.
Okay, 120 here today.
120. What about you?
I got 104 on the dot.
You?
No halves?
I'm going
Well, actually, no, that
87.
one over there is about
In the 80s, right?
87.
That's what I'm thinking.
How many dead birds?
What do you think?
365.
Yeah.
Every day of the year, baby.
130.
130?
Oh,
What do you think?
12.
12. Yeah, that's a good guess. That's what we're here for?
That's why they're here.
Yeah.
You know what we're here for.
Kill them.
That's right.
They're Sleeping Beauty.
Grab that thing.
Looking pretty liberal standing there.
Oh yeah, Bud Lights all day. We shoot for 100. We made up for it. That was a good day.
Yeah, if it would have.
It's pretty impressive that we got that many here.
Well, realistically, it's not. 'Cause we shot 3,000 rounds.
There's some ammo in that
No.
container. From the left side, they left hard.
Probably eat food.
Left
Right.
hard, hit to the ground.
Yeah, right
the
to
right
the
side.
right-
Right to the right side for us to get for you. Nah, the right. They left hard to hit the ground.
Dude,
There you go.
everyone that was on the right side dropped like a rock. Yeah.
Any bands?
Well, check tape.
No bands. There's a piece. $994.
I'm getting more, but
That's enough
What are
money.
you gonna do?
$3 a dead bird.
You gonna hurry?